everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain what is COVID test, procedure involved in it, types of COVID test, and the time and cost of COVID test procedure. First, what is COVID test? COVID test is nothing but it's a test to determine the presence of coronavirus in the sample. There are different types of COVID test like real-time PCR method, which is nothing but real-time polymerase chain reaction method, and second one is serum antibody COVID test. First we'll go with the real-time PCR method. Real-time PCR method is used to determine the RNA in the coronavirus. For example, in our human body, genes like DNA is present. In coronavirus, genes like RNA is present. So, in real-time PCR method, coronavirus RNA is determined. Okay. For real-time PCR method, sample is collected. Sample is collected by two ways, either by nasopharyngeal swab or oral swab. In nasopharyngeal swab method, first the patient is asked to relax and sit, and later patient is asked to tilt head at 10-degree angulation, and a nasal swab is taken and is inserted into the nostrils slowly until the nasopharynx is reached. Once the nasopharynx is reached, the sample is collected from the nasopharynx and is taken into the lab. Similarly, oral swab or throat swab. In this method, patient asked to sit and relax, and a swab is taken, and patient is asked to open mouth. Once the mouth is open without touching the gums, tongue, palate, etc., the swab is inserted and sample is collected from the oropharynx. Once the sample is collected, it is taken to the lab. In the lab, real-time PCR method is used. What is this method? This method is nothing but in the sample what has been taken, RNA has been extracted and is converted into DNA, and the test is done to determine the presence of coronavirus. Time taken for the real-time PCR method is approximately 5 to 6 hours, and the cost of this procedure, as per ICMR guidelines, the cost of this procedure should not exceed more than 4,500 Indian currency. This is all about the real-time PCR method. Next comes the serum antibody COVID test. In this serum antibody COVID test, will determine the antibodies present in the human body. I want to cite one example. If an infection is present in our human body, antibodies are developed in our human body. So this method is based on the procedure of determining the antibodies present in the human body. So for this method, blood sample is collected either by pricking the human finger or by collection of the blood sample. Once the sample is collected and is placed onto the specified kit, there is certain COVID test available in the market. This blood sample is placed on the COVID test kit and is used to determine the presence of antibodies. If there is control line is present, the test is negative. If IgG or IgM antibodies are detected, that person is considered as COVID positive. This is about the serum antibody COVID test. These are specified kits which are available in the market to determine the presence of coronavirus. This is all about the COVID test procedure. Hope this helps to someone. If you really like the video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.